Hello students, welcome to the second session of computer application. In previous session, we have studied what is computer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data through input devices, process it and gives meaningful information through output devices. Next, we have studied what is data. Data is a collection of facts and figures and statistics which can be processed to produce meaningful information. Next, we have studied what is information. Information is processed data or meaningful result. It refers to facts and figures and statistics that have meaning. Next, we have studied functionality of computers. First one was receiving the input, then processing the data, next storing the information, and last we produce the output. Then we have studied different characteristics. In that, first one speed, second accuracy, third storage, fourth versatility, fifth timeliness, sixth reliability, and seventh diligence. Now we will study advantages of computer. So the first advantage is high speed. Computer is a very fast device. It is capable of performing calculation of very large amount of data. It can perform millions of calculation in a few seconds as compared to man who will spend many months for doing the same task. Second one, accuracy. Calculations are 100% error free. Computers perform all jobs with 100% accuracy provided that correct input has been given. Third one is storage capability. A computer has much more storage capacity than human beings. It can store any type of data such as images, videos, text, audio, and many other things. Fourth one is automation. Computer is an automatic machine. Automation means ability to perform the given task automatically. Once a program is given to computer, that is stored in computer memory, the program and instruction can control the program execution without human interaction. Fifth one is reduction in paperwork. As data in electronic files can be retrieved as and when required, the problem of maintenance of large number of paper files gets reduced. Sixth one, reduction in cost. Though the initial investment for installing a computer is high, but it reduces the cost of each of its transaction. So these are the advantages of computer. Now we will see disadvantages of computer. In that, first one, no IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instruction has to be given to the computer. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. Second one is Dependency, it function as per a user instruction. So it is fully dependent on human being. Third one, environment. The operating environment of computer should be dust free and suitable. Fourth one, no feelings. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience and knowledge unlike human being. Now we will see what are the role of computers. The first one is business. In business, we can use computer for payroll calculation. Payroll calculation are defined as the various numbers and process that are performed by an employer. Also in business, for sales analysis, computer is used. Sales analysis examines sales reports to see what goods and services have or have not sold. Next, for financial forecasting also, computer is used. In that, to identify future condition depend on current situation. For that, computer is used. Next, for managing employees database. To keep employees details properly, the role of computer is very important. Next, for maintenance of stocks, that is to keep record of raw material, current products and required material for future, computer is used. So the next field is education. Students can learn new skills at their own place. They can easily acquire knowledge in any available time of their own choice. Also, training time can be reduced. Planning and timing problems are reduced or eliminated. Next one, the skills can be taught at any time and at any place. Also, training videos and audios are available at affordable price. So these are the advantages in education field. Next one, defense. In defense also, the role of computer is very important. Computers are used in defense, military, for computerized control system. Some military areas where a computer has been used are missile control, communication, operation and planning, and even for smart weapons, computer is used. Next field is communication field. For sending pictures, messages, videos, audios, emails, computer is used. So in communication field also, the role of computer is very important. Next one is medical field. For hospital management system, the role of computer is important. In this, day-to-day procedures and operations at hospitals, appointment, discharge records are maintained. Even to maintain patient history, their details, symptoms and medicine prescriptions, computer is used. To monitor patient's health, computer is used. Means all the records, whatever the records of patients, we can store that in computer. Next, devices like hearing device, in that also computer parts are used. Next one is scientific and engineering. This field uses computer for air traffic control, satellite control, scientific research, etc. Seventh one is entertainment. Various purposes like video, cinemas, computer games, advertisement. The computer is very important. Next one is agriculture. Use of computers in agriculture has increased and integrated global agriculture. So that's it for today's session.